Hey everyone, welcome back to Terminator Gardens. Today we're talking about a garden favorite that's as sweet as it is vibrant, the orange bell pepper. Unlike hot peppers, bell peppers don't produce capsaicin, the compound responsible for heat. That's why they're considered the only pepper with zero spice, perfect for anyone who loves the pepper flavor without the burn. Bell peppers, including the orange variety, trace their history back to Central and South America, where wild ancestors have grown for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples cultivated and spread peppers long before Europeans encountered them. When Spanish and Portuguese explorers brought them across the world, peppers quickly became a global staple. Orange bell peppers in particular are more modern cultivars, bred for their sweet flavor and eye-catching color. Orange bell peppers are blocky with smooth, glossy skin that ripens from green to bright orange. They have thick, juicy walls and a crisp texture. The plant themselves are compact bushes, usually growing 18 to 24 inches tall, with white star-shaped flowers that give way to fruit. Growing orange bell peppers is fairly straightforward. They thrive in warm weather and need full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Plant them after the last frost in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil with slightly acidic to neutral pH. Regular watering is key, but avoid waterlogging. Peppers don't like wet feet. Mulching around the base helps conserve moisture and regulate soil temperature. Harvest begins when the peppers are firm and fully colored. When it comes to companion planting, peppers enjoy the company of basil, carrots, onions, and spinach. These companions help deter pests and improve flavor. Avoid planting them near fennel, which can stunt their growth. Orange bell peppers aren't just delicious, they're nutrient-packed. They're loaded with vitamin C. One orange bell pepper has more than double the daily requirement. They're also rich in vitamin A, antioxidants like beta-carotene, and dietary fiber, making them excellent for eye health, immune support, and digestion. In the kitchen, their sweetness shines in so many ways. Slice them raw for salads, snack plates, or dips. Roast them to bring out their natural sugars, or stuff them with grains, beans, and herbs for a colorful meal. One of my favorites, stuffed peppers. They're also fantastic in stir-fries, fajitas, or blended into creamy soups. Some cultures even pickle them for longer storage and a tangy twist. Medicinally, traditional uses of peppers, especially the sweet varieties, focus on their high antioxidant content and support for overall wellness. While not used like medicinal herbs, they're an easy way to boost health through daily diet. And that wraps up today's spotlight on the orange bell pepper, a plant with rich history, global importance, and a role both in garden beauty and human nutrition. If you enjoyed learning about this vibrant fruit, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners and food lovers. Until next time, happy growing.